Welcome back to another video. Now this is a video that's pretty long overdue, if I'm honest with you. I don't think I've posted an Abarth video for flipping ages, and as you can see behind me, I'm here with the guys from Modified Abarth who always are welcoming, even though I've sold mine. And as you guys probably seen from the B-roll leading up until this point, I've come down in the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Obviously these guys love the Giulia, but for me it's about just reminding myself how cool the Abarths are. So let me show you what's going on. This here is literally my favourite Abarth 124, and look how low it is. It's unbelievable. This is Rob's car. I'll leave a link to Rob's Instagram here somewhere. You need to check him out. But a lot of people have said to me, you know, Steph, would you ever get another Abarth? What are you going to do? Are you going to disown the Abarth community? No, of course not. I mean, I'm here today and I'm with the guys. I mean, granted, so this video is going to be pretty short because, I mean, well, I just want to spend some time catching up with these guys because I haven't seen them for a while. But to answer a lot of questions, would I get another Abarth? I think I actually would get another Abarth. And if I was to get an Abarth, I would get this. I would get the 124 Spider, just because I'm a real fan of the Spider. I mean, this specific car, Rob's car, looks absolutely stunning. I mean, I'm overlaying some shots now, and you can just see how well he's done it. It's well low, so it's on coilover. It's got the beautiful white OZ wheels, the Dub Fire Red wrap from Dub Customs. I am absolutely in awe of this car. I think he's done a really good job. And like, just imagine this car in the summer. Like, this would be amazing. I would probably get one second hand, and I'd probably modify it. So yeah. To answer those of you, would I get another? So to answer those saying, would I get another Abarth? Yes, I would. And I think it would be the 124 Spider. But yeah, let me show you some of the other cars. You can have your key back. Do you know what I was saying? If I was to own another Abarth, I would buy a 124.
Okay, you can have mine, I'll swap you.
You want to swap this for the Giulia? What do you reckon?
Definitely.
Nice, isn't it? Very nice car. Yeah, I mean, I said it before. I think the grey is growing on me massively. I would always buy one in red, but I'm really liking the grey. And of course, Adam's car always looks good. I love this car. With the champagne wheels. What a car.
Yeah, I like it. I really like it.
Hi.
Oh. You're talking me back.
Don't worry. It's all good. Just saying hello. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to everybody.
Arrivederci.
Hello. Fun and games. Where's Adam? Let's say hello to Adam. Adam's floating about somewhere. All that, you guys need to see that is Bilal. So those of you who obviously watched the video with Bilal, the 310 bhp Abarth, this is his second car, an Audi SQ7 with the ABT kit on it. That is ridiculous. It sounds great. I mean, it's a V8 diesel, but it sounds fantastic. And look, we got the yellow ones here. Yellow ones looking good. Do you know what? They're a sea of sunshine, aren't they? The yellow cars just look fantastic. Mark's one there. So this is actually, I need to show you this. So this, I think, the best front splitter for the Series 4. Take a look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Carbon fiber. It just makes the front of the Series 4 look so much better. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. There's Mark there. Let me ask him. Mark, your front splitter, where is it from?
S4ZA.
S4ZA. I was just saying to everyone, it looks incredible. It changed the front end of the Series 4.
Yeah, what I've done with it though, I've dropped it, I think, 10 mil forward.
Yeah.
So it just gives it like a DTM look about it.
Yeah.
So it just sticks in front of the car,
No, mate, it looks absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
How you doing? You all right? Keeping well?
Yeah, sweet.
Good to see everyone, mate.
Yeah, great
It's been
to see
ages.
How are you getting on with your Mercedes like Motec? I've been following it.
Yeah, oh mate, it's great now. The boys at Motec spent some good time on it. With the Remus, it sounds good.
Yeah,
now it's lowered on spaces.
Lowered on spaces, yeah, it looks really nice. It goes really well as well.
A few people said I should have brought it here today, but I thought, you know, I'll bring an Italian car to an Italian meet, and now people are saying I should have brought the A45. Can't win.
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
win.
yeah. No, everything's going great. You know,
Good.
good to have a meet today. Good turnout.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, Adam always hosts a really good event.
Yeah, always
know,
does.
so you can always count
does.
on him.
And a decent turnout, to be fair. I mean,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
weather's not the greatest, but look at those. Sunshine yellow, looking good. Those who may not know, this man,
For it is me.
soon to come to YouTube as Grant in the Garage. How's it going?
It's all right. I need some content. I need my car. I vowed to sort of people that the content would happen when the car arrived, and
Yeah.
I'm still without a car. So
Nah,
at the
you're
moment,
good, you're good,
I'm going to have to do a video on what my detailing buckets and what sprays I have on the
Mate, I'll tell you
shelves.
what, they are a hit. So anybody who wants to watch Grant needs to be on Modified Abarth. There are loads
Coming
of videos
soon.
on there. Coming soon to YouTube. But yeah, no, when Grant decides to get himself on YouTube, we'll do a
Yeah,
collab
and
together.
we'll start.
Yeah.
So you've got to do a video on my car before anything
Yeah,
anyway.
we do,
So,
we do. But yeah, no, happy days. Oh God, I love the Giulia Quadrifoglio. It is so sketchy on these P0 courses in the wet. But yeah, guys, so I had a really, really good time. You know, I have always said that I love the Abarth crew. I really do. It was honestly, this is a short video because I really just wanted to spend a bit of time catching up with them. Because I've spent so much time just going out filming videos, and every now and again it's just nice just to meet your friends and just have a chat. But yeah, I mean, always great seeing those guys. They're a brilliant community. Make sure to check out Modified Abarth if you want to see all of the cars that we've seen in this video. But yeah, really good fun. Couple of things, I guess. I talked about the 124 Spider, and do you know what the funny thing is? I haven't driven a 595 comp or anything actually.
In a quarter of a mile, at
Sorry,
the roundabout,
sat there.
take the first exit onto Baltimore
I've not
Lane.
driven a 595 comp or anything like that since I sold my car. Yeah, no, that's right, I haven't. I did a video with Bilal's car, but I didn't drive it. So yeah, I need to get hold of an Abarth 595 and just make some content again, because you guys love that. So yeah, I'm gonna have a word with Abarth UK, and yeah, see how we get on. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call it. Oh man, I'm gonna call it today. Thank you all so much for watching. As always.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Great Cambridge Road.
Oh God. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Olvidando, olvidando.